your parents watching this might have gone through what we'll be talking about today. When your entire life revolved around your child or children, and you didn't even realize how fast time flew, and suddenly they're gone. Many women go through severe depression trying to come to terms with the fact that they suddenly have no meaning in their lives. We try and unravel this emptiness syndrome. Hi, this is Rajat Kapoor. Welcome to my lounge. Let's speak to my first guest, Vijaya.
Hi, I'm Vijaya Gupta. I'm a housewife and mother of 2 children who are growing in this independent society where they want to go out and do their own things, but I still feel that they should be around me. Basically, I want my children around over here so that I have a sense, they have a sense of belonging, and I feel good to see them grow in front of me. Thank you.
Hi, Vijaya.
Hi.
Welcome to the show.
Thanks.
So you have 2 children.
Yeah.
And what age are they?
My daughter is 23, son is 20.
23 and 20.
Yeah.
And they're ready to take off.
Yeah.
Yeah?
They are.
And how do you feel about that?
I feel very lonely suddenly, like they'll just go off one day.
But they haven't gone yet.
No, they haven't gone, but still I feel like...
They're ready to go.
Yeah, they're ready to go.
Yeah?
Especially my daughter, since she's engaged and going to get married off.
Oh, she's engaged to be married?
Yeah.
When is she getting married?
Next year, maybe.
Next year, maybe.
Yeah.
Right. And the son, what are his plans?
He's a photographer. So mainly he loves to travel.
Okay.
That's what scares me most, because all the time he's away from the home.
So he's traveling anyway?
Yeah, he's traveling anyway.
Okay. What scares you about that?
I miss him a lot, obviously, and I want him to settle down in one place, but I don't see that in
Okay.
him.
Okay. So are you planning to do something that'll keep him tied to the house?
No, I won't do that.
No?
No.
Yeah, the guilt will be too much.
Yeah, that will be too much.
And anyway, he won't give in, I suppose. If he has to...
No, I want him to grow in life. It's not that I'm going to stop him from doing anything.
Right. Right.
But I would prefer that he's around more.
Okay.
And
Okay.
his base should be his house, basically.
What if he plans to shift to another country?
Yeah, that
Or
will be
another
very
city?
difficult for me. And I always tease him that I'm going to come with you, wherever you go.
Yeah. But have you been dreading this for some time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I am.
How many years have you been ready for this?
Around 2-3 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so as the time is nearing you,
Yeah.
anxiety is growing, is
Yeah.
it? And daughter's marriage anyway, that's inevitable, she'll move
Yeah.
out. That you're prepared for?
No, not really.
No?
No.
So how will you cope with that?
I have to. I don't have a choice. That everybody, she has to go one day.
But isn't that normal? I mean, that's
Yeah,
the way
that's
it is.
normal, yeah. Yeah, but you're so used to children having around.
Right.
And suddenly the house becomes absolutely empty
Right.
without them. And you don't have anything to do. Basically, I'm a housewife.
Okay.
So I live for my children.
You think it would be different if you were a working mother? If you
Maybe, yeah, if I had something else to do and my mind was diverted somewhere else. Maybe. But right now my life only centers around my children.
Right. Even now, even when
Yeah,
they're
even
20
now.
and 23?
Yeah, it's not that I'm all the time on their head, but it's like I wait for them, to come for dinner or whatever.
Right.
So be together basically.